So this morning I was training high school girls soccer team and I was doing some conditioning with them. First thing this morning, the conditioning was about how to prevent injury. You do these things to help prevent injury, and when you are injured, it helps you to recover much quicker. Towards the end of it, my calf made that noise. Yeah, it hurts. So in the message of me saying, do these things to prevent injury, what did I do? I had a setback. Whole and healthy living is what this Jesus follower is all about. And I want you to go conquer your day so you can conquer your life. And what does that mean today? That means today that in the moment that you continue to go forward, there are things that are out of your control. And as they are out of your control, I didn't know it. I didn't feel it. There was nothing going on in my calves that was saying you need to slow down or do something different. It just went from me moving from one direction to it was over. But it's a setback. And in life, you're going to have setbacks. Sometimes they're physical, sometimes they're mental, sometimes they become both. They're spiritual, they're relational, they're financial. All of these setbacks. But don't let your mind go to a place it's not meant to go. You are going this way, and maybe the slowdown in the process is good for your healing beyond the physical. What is the setback that is giving you an opportunity for your greatest comeback? Go after it. Don't quit and don't give up.